Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Todoist with Evernote so you can seamlessly connect your tasks and notes across both platforms. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to your Todoist account. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will give you access to all the integration features available within Todoist. Once you're logged in, wait a moment while the login process completes and you're directed to Todoist's main dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your tasks and access various features. Now, to integrate Todoist with Evernote, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see several Todoist tabs and functions that control different aspects of your account. From this menu, look for and click on the Help and Resources button. This section contains various tools and options to enhance your Todoist experience. After clicking, a small window will appear above showing you different support options. From this window, click on Add Integrations. This is where you can connect Todoist with other productivity apps to create a more unified workflow. The integrations window will now open, and you'll see several options at the top. Click on the Browse tab to view the complete list of available integrations. This tab displays all the apps and services that work with Todoist, giving you plenty of options to expand your productivity setup. You'll notice a variety of popular apps listed here, each designed to work seamlessly with your Todoist tasks. Now, scroll down through this list of apps until you find Evernote. The apps are typically listed alphabetically, so you won't have to search for too long. Once you spot Evernote, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the App Overview page, which provides details about how the integration works and what features you'll gain by connecting these two platforms. On the Evernote Overview page, you'll see information about how the integration enhances your workflow by connecting your tasks with your notes. To complete the integration process, simply click on the Add button. This action will link your Evernote account to Todoist, allowing you to attach Evernote notes to your tasks and create a more organized system for managing your work. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Todoist with Evernote, giving you the ability to connect your task management with your note-taking seamlessly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.